Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to cover up some of the basics of command line on Windows. Let's get started. Before starting anything related to installation of Python etc., we are just going to learn some basics of command line on Windows. And this command line is most widely helpful to programmatically move through computer directories and perform various actions like creating a folder, deleting a folder, etc. And you must be able to do or work with these command lines before starting off with Python. That is one of the prerequisites. So let's get started with the command line on Windows. For opening the command line on Windows, just click on this search tab right over here and type in CMD. You can see this is the command prompt on Windows. If you are not getting this particular icon right over here, you just want to search the full phrase like command prompt and get this tab or icon and then click on this for opening the command prompt. So this is the command line, as you can see right over here in the Windows. As soon as you click on that icon, you will get the command prompt opened in the environment like this. So now before starting off with this command prompt, you just want to know where you are currently in your computer place. That is, in computer or in our desktop we are having too many directories, right? So in command prompt, as soon as you open this command prompt, we just want to identify a root folder where you are located at, so that you can perform various actions like creating a folder, deleting a folder, etc. So for finding that, just type in cd. You can see this is the root folder where I am currently at. And for moving out of this folder, that is, we are currently located inside C drive users Lenovo folder. For moving one folder out, you can just type in like cd space ... enter. You can see one folder has been moved out. Now when you type in cd, you can see the root folder that you are located in right now is C users. Again, I am just moving one folder out, located in the root folder of C drive. So now what I will do is I will just make a folder right over here. Before making a folder or creating a folder, I would like to know what are all the folders inside this C drive. So for knowing that, the command that you want to use is dir. You can see these are all the folders located in C drive of this computer. And for creating a folder inside the C drive, move to the root folder of C drive and type in mkdir space the folder name. The folder name that I am going to give is SM Academy. Now the folder has been created. Now when I try to locate all the folders inside the C drive or display all the folders inside the C drive, I am just typing dir. You can see the SM Academy folder has been created at 31st Jan 2025 at 1849. So for moving to the SM Academy folder, or for moving inside the SM Academy folder located inside the C drive, which is the root directory, we just want to provide a command like cd space the folder name SM Academy. When I type in cd space SM Academy, the command prompt will be moving to the folder that is available right over here as the name. That's it. You can see now my root directory has been changed to C SM Academy. When I try to give the command cd, my root directory is prompting to be C inside SM Academy. Now we know that this SM Academy has been created by us and there will be nothing inside this SM Academy. So when I type in dir, I will get nothing. Nothing is there because we just now created this folder and it is an empty folder. I am just moving back from this, and when I want to delete this SM Academy folder which I have created or which I have created inside the C drive, and I am available in the C drive locality, just move to the C drive locality where the folder is available and then give rmdir space the folder name. So giving this command rmdir sm underscore academy or the folder name will delete that folder. So rmdir space the folder name. Click on enter. Now the folder has been deleted. Now when I try to display all the directories inside the C drive, you can see the SM Academy folder has been removed from the list shown here. So now for clearing all these commands inside the command prompt, what I can give is, I can just give a command cls for clearing everything available in this command prompt. So I hope you learned something new in this particular video. These are all various commands that we will be using in future lectures, and also I would like you to learn and know about these commands in the command prompt before moving to the actual Python part. And now to summarize the commands that we used for displaying the root folder where you are in the PC, you just want to give cd, and for viewing all the directories inside the current root directory, you just want to give the command dir, and for moving inside a particular directory, let's say if I want to move inside this Intel folder, you just want to provide the command such as cd space the folder name. Now you can see when I give cd, the root directory is C Intel, and for moving out of the directory, we just used cd space dot dot, so that the root directory will be moving one step before the folder. And for creating the directory, I just want to give the command mkdir space the directory name, and for deleting the directory, move to the root folder and give the command rmdir space the directory name. That's it. So these are all the commands that we gone through in this particular video. I hope you learned some of the basics of command line on Windows in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.